Hello everyone, in this video we are going to investigate any unauthorized file modification using Wazuh. Let's say in your environment, if someone is changing or creating or modifying any existing file or even deleting, how you are going to detect it. So in this video we are going to monitor such a directories or the folders in which if you create any file or if you delete it, if Wazuh is able to catch it or not. And if it is catching, where to see those logs. So let's jump on to the practical part. So first of all, we are going to see it for the Ubuntu agent and then we are going to see it for the Windows agent. So we have already our Windows agent and Ubuntu agent both are connected and they are getting monitored in the Wazuh servers. Okay, so let me take you to the Wazuh server first. So here is a dashboard of a Wazuh server and I can see my agents are listed. One is a Ubuntu machine and another is my Windows machine. So both machines are currently in active state and being monitored. Okay. So first of all, what is the step to do on the Ubuntu agent? First of all, we need to edit the OSEC configuration file. So let's go on to the Ubuntu agent and then change the directory where slash slash OSEC slash etc ls. So we are going to change the configuration of this OSEC. So nano OSEC configuration. Next step is add the directory for monitoring within the system check. So system check is actually a part of file integrity monitoring. Okay. So I'm going to directly find where that particular section file. So I'm going to search for that section via control W file integrity. Okay, I'm sorry, it's case sensitive, so we'll just type file. Okay, perfect. So file integrity monitoring. Now this is where you can find system check. What I need to add? I need to add this line directory check all real time and the directory whichever directory you want to monitor. In my case, I am monitoring the slash root directory. So any modification is happening under this directory, like file changes, file deletion, it should be get monitored and I should get an alert. Okay, I mean the event. So we are going to add root directory in our monitoring section and then we are going to monitor it. Perfect. So this is already, I have added this line and I'm going to exit without save because it is already exits. And now it's time to restart the agent. After you restart the agent, it's time to do some modification. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go in the root directory, will verify if I'm in the correct directory or not. Okay, so I am in root directory. This is the directory which we are monitoring. Now I am going to create a new file. Let's say nano fim.txt .txt. Okay, hello, we are testing the events of fim using Wazuh. Okay, I'm going to save this file. Yes, so this is exist. Okay, so file has been created. Cat fim. Yeah, hello, we are testing the event of fim using Wazuh. Now I am going to simply remove that file. All these changes which I made it, like creating, deleting, all events should be captured via Wazuh. So let's jump onto the Wazuh dashboard. So I am on Wazuh dashboard. Go to the endpoint security, file integrity monitoring. Go to the event section. Perfect. Can you see this? That file has been first of all added under the root directory and now then deleted. Okay. So this is how you are going to monitor any directory if any file has been created, deleted, or even modified. Okay. Now let's go on to the Windows section. So for the Windows machine, we are going to follow the same procedure. In this one, we are going to edit the file offset configuration, which is present in the C, then program files cross 86 and the OSEC agent. Okay. Then we have to add one line, which is this one. The folder or the user that you want to make it under the monitoring, you have to add it like this. That user administrator and the folder is desktop. Likewise, if you want to add anything like documents, pictures, any directory that you want to keep it under monitoring, you have to add it like this. Okay, so let's go to the Windows machine and then we are going to add this line in the OSEC configuration file. First of all, go to the program files cross 86. Then we are going to go under the OSEC agent. We are looking for OSEC configuration file. Here it is. In this file, we are looking for the section called file integrity monitoring. Here it is the section, and this is the system check. In this section, we are going to add that line. This is the line which we are going to add it. So copy and paste it. So here the line is. After adding the line, save the file and then close it. From the PowerShell, run the command restart hyphen service name Wazuh. This is going to restart the agent, and then we are going to perform the next step. We have added desktop as a monitoring directory, so we are going to change something, like we are going to create a file, we are going to modify that file, and we are going to delete it. All this event should be monitored via Wazuh. Once the restart complete, I'm going to add a new file on the desktop. Let's say I'm going to call it as a film.txt. Hi, we are testing film on Wazuh. Save it. Now close this. So I have created this file. I have even added the content in the file, and now I am going to delete it. This event should be visible under the Wazuh. So let's jump onto the Wazuh dashboard. Now on the Wazuh dashboard, go to the endpoint security and then file integrity monitoring. Click on events. Okay, so now we are able to see that the agent Windows machine on this world, this file has been first of all created, then modified and then deleted. And the rule which it hit is 554, 550, and 553. Okay, so this is how you are going to monitor any directory or folder in the Linux machine or the Windows machine in the Wazuh. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next.